Kristen King, and welcome to Wall Street Connected, the show that highlights what Wall Street's finest are researching online. It's been a wild few days in the market, but avoiding the drama, today we're going to revisit a company that we covered midway through last year. Microvision is a leader in innovative ultra-miniature projection display and sensing technology. Headquartered in Washington State, the firm develops scanning technology to create high-resolution miniature projection and 3D sensing, as well as image capture solutions under the Pico P brand in the U.S. They're also making great strides in the smart glasses and AR tech space, so much so that there were rumors about a takeover bid from Microsoft at the back end of last year. There has been a spike in interest over the past 7 days, according to Trackstar IQ, our proprietary search tracking tool, which showed that 7 investors with assets under management over $1 billion searched the stock 66 times. That looks like quite a specific and targeted focus, especially on a stock that hasn't had any notable news flow over the past month. It may suggest some developments in the works that aren't yet public. Looking at the charts, we can see that the stock closed 2020 up over 600% and has added around 40% more in 2021. As such, the stock is outperforming 99% of the market and 97% of the 145 other stocks in the electrical components industry. Surprisingly enough, the rally that started in December isn't backed by strong quarterly results. Q3 figures show a drop in revenue for the period year on year from $1.2 million in 2019 to $0.6 million today. The firm's net loss for the period was $2.8 million or 2 cents per share, compared to a net loss of $6.1 million or 5 cents per share in Q3 2019. Furthermore, a critical report from Hindenburg Research pushed back on Microvision's IP claims. Microvision claims it is recognized by the patent board as holding a top 50 IP portfolio amongst global industrial firms, but Hindenburg counters, saying that only 10 of those patents mention the critical LiDAR tech. The report also harshly criticizes the firm's $1.2 billion market cap as not being backed by revenue nor intellectual property value, and calling it a corporate husk. On the other hand, as we can see elsewhere in the market, there may be a bit of irrational exuberance surrounding tech stocks at the moment. Whether you're thinking of investing in the stock or are a current holder, it's well worth keeping a close eye on it in the coming weeks. That's all we have time for this week, but as usual, make sure you do your due diligence before making any investment decisions. To find out more about our Trackstar IQ data, sign up to our free newsletter at investingchannel.com/Trackstar.